Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to get important information from documents in Power Automate flows, including the file extension, mime type, page count, and author name. We will be able to use all of this information as dynamic content downstream in our flow. Before we get started, remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Power Automate tutorials featuring Cloudmersive connectors. We will begin by clicking Create and selecting the option to design a manually triggered Instant Cloud flow. We will use this option to make testing the flow easier. We will kick off our flow with a Get File Content action. We will use this action to get file bytes for our information retrieval action. We will now find our information retrieval action. To find it, we can add a new action and then type Cloudmersive into the search bar. We can scroll down the list of Cloudmersive connectors until we find the document conversion connector with the green logo. We can click See More, and we can then search the actions list for an action called Get Document Type Information. Once we select it, we will need to configure our connection with a Cloudmersive API key. As a quick reminder, we can use all Cloudmersive connectors for free with a free API key as long as we have a premium Power Automate account. We can get a free API key by visiting the Cloudmersive website and creating a free account there. We will now configure our request parameters by adding our file content in the first field, and then by adding our file name in the second field. We do not need our file's real name for this action to work correctly. We will now open another quick action just so we can view the data this action will produce as dynamic content downstream in our flow. I will use a condition control action for this purpose because it's built in and easily accessible. When we open up the dynamic content window, we will see 12 data points we can use downstream in our flow, about 9 of which can be used directly in subsequent actions. We will get as much information as the document makes available about the file extension, the name of the document author, the date the document was last modified, the page count, and we'll even get a well-formed extension containing a period. We can now run a quick test to review the results of this operation with our own test file. As we can see, the file extension, mime type, page count, author name, and most recent modification date were retrieved from my input document. Any of this information can be used downstream in a Power Automate flow to make the flow more intelligent and responsive to specific types of files. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions about using Cloudmersive connectors in Power Automate, please feel free to reach out to any member of our team.